India could be the most digitized economy, says Bill Gates. No Galaxy Note 7 related incidents in India, says Samsung. India searches for indelible ink removal on Google. It's a Friday, November the 18th, and this is 360 Daily. Samsung confirmed there has been no Note 7 incidents in India. Their statement said, "We can confirm there has been no incident with regard to Galaxy Note 7 in India. In fact, not a single unit of Galaxy Note 7 was sold in India." The statement was a written reply to Lok Sabha today. On September 23rd, the cabin crew observed smoke from a mobile phone kept in a laptop bag in the overhead baggage rack in a flight. Minister of State for Civil Aviation Jayant Sinha wrote to the Lok Sabha yesterday. Matter was investigated by DGCA, and during the investigation, it was observed that the damage of the battery of a Samsung Galaxy Note 7 had led to the said occurrence. You might have seen this link on your WhatsApp messages which says it will activate your video calling and group video calling. Don't click on it. It's a fake invite link that has gone viral and can expose your smartphone to harmful attacks. If you want video calling on your WhatsApp, just update it to the latest version. Microsoft Bill Gates has dubbed the government's demonetization as a bold move and says it will help deflate the Indian shadow economy. The Prime Minister's bold move to demonetize high denomination notes and replace this with newer ones for higher security features is an important step to deflate India's shadow economy. Google searches for the query indelible ink removal have soared since banks started using the ink to prevent multiple exchanges after demonetization. This comes after days after the phrase "how to convert black money to white money" had become popular. It appears that indelible ink removal is on the top of everyone's mind. Apple has finally responded to iPhone touch disease, but this is exclusively for iPhone 6 Plus. Now this is a repair program by Apple. Many users have been complaining for years about iPhone 6 and 6 Plus units facing a display issue where a grey flickering band can be seen on top, which over time takes the entire screen and renders it useless. Apple claims that this display issue crops up after a user presumably drops the phone on several occasions, incurring stress on the device. That's all on this edition of 360 Daily. I'm Devika Chitis for Gadgets 360. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, that's Gadgets 360. Don't forget to share us on your Facebook page, and you can always follow us on Facebook and Twitter and Instagram on Gadgets 360.